Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming which Excel build you're running. Open File, Account and Note version and build so you know what to expect. Next, back up any critical workbooks to OneDrive or an external drive because updates can change settings. Once done, make sure your laptop is plugged in or has at least 30% battery to avoid shutdowns mid-update. Doing these steps prevents data loss and lets you proceed with confidence when fetching the update. You now trigger the update. Go to File, Account, then Update Options and pick Update Now so Excel checks Office or Microsoft 365 for patches. If prompted, save open files or let the installer close apps automatically. Saving first avoids losing edits. The installer will download and apply packages, monitor progress, and follow prompts. If a restart is required, let Windows reboot. This finalizes file replacements and registry changes. Once the update completes and you restart, open Excel and verify the version and build in File, Account so you confirm success. Next, test critical macros, add-ins, and templates to make sure they behave the same. Compatibility issues are why you backed up files. If something breaks, run a quick Office repair via Settings, Apps, Modify, Repair, or use Windows System Restore to roll back. This resolves most post-update issues and gets you back working without losing data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.